Good to see you back again.
Thank you much guys, smile.
Kind of weird. She's looking so crazy. Hello and welcome back to the Crew Motorfest, the episode 34? 34. I thought actually 35. Why? So just using actually the controller, the broken one. I don't actually kind of show it up like these, but actually inside actually everything is broken. So a lot of buttons actually ain't working very well. Yesterday I just figured it out actually on the the CarX racing online, so it's just what the hell, you know. So yeah, just actually tried actually cleaning up my window. It's shiny bright right now. Got these dynamic crystal stuff actually on there, so a little bit protecting. Got actually these kind of, I don't know what they're called, these white stuff in front of the window stuff. It's just make new ones in there. Kind of pain actually for a dude. Bring off actually the laundry, and it's already close to 18 o'clock for sake. Yeah, 42 hours this week actually work it up. But what the fuck, you know. So separated construction areas, and what kind of teams, what the fucking shit, kind of that. And I'd be proud actually to have actually two people here right now in the construction area, or construction compound, better say. I can handle with these and have fun with them. You can chill out actually in work itself. I don't know, but the other ones hesitating or I don't know. Fuck this. It's so crazy crack. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Oh god, thanks. Oh, you got the same one on. Man. They will hate me. He's trying to save me. GM. But, you know, y'all got that jingle and actually these tigers vote, register, custom, what was that? You can actually go in there, right? Custom, show menu. Oh, crack, what the fuck is that? So I'm drinking a little beer. Just took it, I just want to take it actually like 2 hours in here. And yeah, I know it's actually boring like hell, but you know, I hate my voice, I hate my doing, I hate myself. I'm fat, I'm old. It's kind of a... Tomorrow actually, I just want to change actually these kind of HDD from the PlayStation 4 into a SDD. Hold on. SSD, I'm sorry. So I already got it in here, so yeah, let's just see what's going on, you know. They say actually 5 times faster or something like that. Cost me a 340 bucks, euro, dollar, I don't know. And yeah, let's just see. It's terrible if you got a lot of accounts and all these stuff. What's with the camera? You don't can read that. So kind of shit to you know, you have actually no idea. You just go into a PlayStation 4 account profile, just saying, hey, that's DefNation CB, that's Need for Speed to Caches, and then in the end, actually, what's the fucking password for sake? I have it listed actually on my computer and all these, you know, safe and all blah blah, but it's always a disaster. Where's the picture actually for the background? Why is it taking actually so long actually to get these game saves on? So I on my dongle USB actually I already got all the game saves of my 5 accounts, not 4 accounts, 5 accounts. I mean actually, and the game's actually separated on the external HDD. So let's see what it comes up in the morning time before 4 o'clock. I just, you know, put it out and just get up and stuff screwed in on the PlayStation 4 Pro, and then I got even the update actually for the PlayStation, or what to say, the installation software on a USB dongle, so I'm prepared since close a week now. But I know there's something going wrong all the times like this shit, you know. I was a nerd actually on PC before I was 10, 11 or something, started up, so it was fine ass, but in the end, you know, you're more in construction work and you're forgetting actually to even how to use a bicycle for sake. More into like, I'm a girl now, I'm doing my t-shirts and all my laundry by myself. Dishes? No problem. What the hell's going on? I'm doing everything here, I'm like a little lady. Oh no, no, no. Hi. Gosh. So, kind of this. Yeah. Next weekend I just do the laundry actually from the bedroom. This is no problem. It's kind of 2 months actually. I do normally go, say, actually once in a month. I do it actually 2 months and then just get it in. Last time I did actually the half of them already, but the caution, all these stuff. And these are called the so fluoratic or something, these kind of fabricated stuff that electronic, these, what's that in English for sake? Just you get actually a shock all the times, and actually milliseconds, like I just was getting in the morning time as I was waking up. Alright, let's do some stuff actually from the laundry, and I just rip it away from the pillow, and just actually the sparks went off, you know, and just was immediately woke up actually by these kind of shock. Nah, this is kind of every 2 months actually. Just being done with the laundry, sleeping room. This is bullshit, you know. Just an old fat sack. Stinky fat old sack. Just up kampanj na strovi se du skall på. Det är next Oh, that was a wrong one. Don't drink it up. Thought actually you came into this. Getting into the car and just showing off and all this stuff. What a loser I am. Let's noob around, kampanj. Oh yeah, by the way. I fucking just hate you. I'm a piece of crap. Who the hell is he talking about? You stinky feeds, dude. Girl, alright, nice. KO. What the hell does that even mean? Pick up. Alright, leave you alone, guys. Girls, whatever. Who's watching anyway? I don't even care.
Let's complete this playlist.
Let's just give you a rope and hang yourself. Scheiße. Schneiden. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going? Oh, that's actually
One more
nice.
immortal in your path. Perhaps the toughest.
Challenge
Choice.
recommendation. Okay. So
The
what is
action
it?
list that awaits you is an
Finish
AGP
5
event,
different
but Red Bull style. If
That
you've
one
ever
of the-
seen a Red Bull video with an AGP drifting in the dirt, you'll know what I mean. We've taken the most modern model, RB20, and
the
fitted it
model.
with rally tyres and slightly
very fun.
beefier suspension, just in case you need to jump it. Basically, it's an all-terrain AGP, so as well as being a muddy event, it's going to be
Good
really
heavens.
fast.
You done? What she's up for again? Gosh. You're acting suspicious, you know that? Oh, like, oh, ain't you legit or something? Yeah, I'm talking to you, Rika. So, I hear some noise. No, going crazy or something. In German, Schnapsen. Yeah. That ball's in for sake. Really going crazy, huh? Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my god, help her out of the misery. Sup, this shit. Finish grand race and demolition rolls. Oh god. Royals. Oh, sausages rolls. I want. Why should we do that? Open treasures. Really? That's nice. It's a kind of car he's actually driving around. Oh, you actually doing it. Alright. Finish 2 events in summer contest. You know what that means. What the hell? I hate these. Finish, they say. Finish, not winning. Finish. Well, kinda easy crap this is. Just finish. Oh, did it already. Oh, let's see. This crazy clip. Just the hell. Yeah. The cars I should use. Ah, we got it. Look how easy that is. Do it 5 times, we got the PC action done. Escape. Support Fiesta. Vista? Say Vista. He comes over with his Ford Fister. Fister. It's like actually cutting something out, you know, the Vista. Yeah, Vista. Vista. Seems we have no choice. Really. Look, car, I got something for you. On the spoon. Into your tank. It's your oil. Getting a little bit faster here. Oh, gosh. The chump? It's a rock. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm coming again. Everything's good. I just asked myself. Oh, no joke. Ain't easy. Well, it fools with these 400 km/h or something. Now I'm talking to myself. From isolation. Rock. There you. What happened if I just do that at the end? And maybe backing up? Maybe. Maybe it's just say actually go back or something. Keyboard awaitable. Oh, okay, gotcha. It's not possible, I think, anymore. But the game will actually stop by itself. Because it don't have a clutch gear. Sharp left. Into a sharp left. Fucking hell, no joke. What the heck? No, don't go back. Well. A jump it is. Once. Oh, no. Oh, please. Breathtaking. Breathtaking, breathtaking. Awesome. Oh, that's why I couldn't hear it. What do you want? I thought it's a chump or something session. Oh my god, it was a challenge. I can't handle these. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm pressing, I'm doing, I don't know what the heck is going on. And we're losing this one. God, I really want to get into that track again. Oh my hell. I'm so disappointed. Is it a car game or what is it then? Bit realistic, the rest is... what the hell? I don't see the vehicle. It's a lousy light. Oh, there's a jump. Oh, that's nice. Holy moly hell. Of course my Nitro professional mode on. Or like an idiot mode on. The full mode. No. It's bumping too much. really try. My cigarette. I think it has something to do with the gas it breaks, right? Because I feel that somehow actually off the jump or something. I'm sorry, I'm an alcoholic. I'm just chilling out in here in the game. Dos tontos. D.R.O versus me. Oh, sorry. Oopala. Neighborhood. Empty the bucket with the beer and then Radler and cola and schnapps bottles. Just kidding. Yeah, for lousy's sake. Now that song is fucked up. I really wish actually a button to mute that song in that race, you know. You know when I'm actually don't want to listen for that song here. Let's keep on moving, it says. Choose a vehicle. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I just broke. You okay with that? Yuck. You know, there's trees or something. Where are we going? Oh, the cars are sick. Oh, what the heck? Das war scheiße, den ganzen Wald nicht, oder? Ich vor lauter Bäumen will ich den Wald nicht mehr. It has something to do done with the braking. That's my... Into your misery. 6 feet down the road. How and why you can move actually the vehicle? Oh my gosh, I just want to have in the air. Oh, why you can move that? Oh my helmet! You see that? I really try, but then whoop, something's helping up. Whoop. Ah, my helmet! I don't see nothing anymore. It's just useless contrastly. Actually, I can't go left, man. I really try. I'm so getting actually angry again. Madness starts to push and rise. Let's go. Good one, you survived. You didn't shut yourself in your neck. How's she fit in there? You just screw up your legs or something, we got you somehow to get in there. Or with tape actually on that vehicle. I don't know. Yeah, 100k, my ass. You reached a new level of disappointment. Bitch credits. The disappointment credits. You have to press. Muddy movie. Oh, come on, Mercy's actually in these kind of Hollywood stuff. Freddy or something his name was. Or is, or he's done with himself somehow. You know, there's difficult. Choose some difficult. Maybe you get some points. Fuck this crap. I'm a lonely boy. Fuck off. Smart. Not again. It's another vehicle. I'm bored. It's like actually shithouse submit activity. Cigarette went off for sake. You or your crew leader must not serve equal to play the week or restrict or summon. No joke while I'm in here. You should actually get some restricts. I'm sleepy, I'm tired, I'm bored. This is not my type to do. Yeah. Oh my god, that one tried actually for 4 days ago. I'm not sure. Is it a fart? Or is it diarrhea? It's a fart. Can't even hold that one. I'm just afraid about the steering. It's so much crazy then. Yeah, we know what you doing here. Crap. Cheater. Welcome to the Motorfuck Festival. Get back on the road home. Or AC. I'm a sniffing rat or something? That. Yes! Me! DefRekka! That's the wrong music, man. These kind of music actually from DefRekka or something, you know. Exhibit, I just don't care. Break your neck. This should be actually good in here, but the lousy. I just for mid time or something. Oh, my eyes are hurt and I feel lousy and sleepy. We did a 30-minute already and we're on the second beer from 4 beers. 5 beers for sake. I need something for my stomach. It hurt. Vitamin D3. We still have? You bastard. R.I.P forte. Massagem sportgenetic. 95%. Det kan inte skrivas. Håll av, Junge. It smells so good. Exactly. What was that again? Oh, ring bell. I will get it off. You know, there's a battery in there, and actually he's shitting his soul to sentence to hell. Oh, I hate that when people actually don't want to watch anymore. I know I'm a lousy people. I'm a person actually by talking. But you know, I don't care. Who cares of me? Always I'm caring of other people's. But I don't care of me. Cheers. And go to hell. I'm talking to myself, of course. Maybe you should go to hell as well. And don't miss up, Monday is free day. The last one of this year. Under the work week. Beat yourself. Knock yourself out, or what do you mean with that? Okey dokey. Badass. Jump on us. Stay on. Oh man, I lost 20 seconds. One minute left, sir. Why didn't you just actually get us the time on the objective beat? Actually up to the right or left side as well. What kind of ass game is this? Hey, here we go again. I hate this game so much. I'm addicted right now to drink beer, sorry for that one. And the music is pissing me off. Pissing me off, that music. I wanna have a rally music and I like this shit. Man, my calendar is completely full. Welcome to work and construction work and homework and all this stuff. It's my calendar, that's Sunday actually on the right side or something. Completely fucked full. That's the back side actually. Medication, calories, all this shit, you know. I did 7 beers, blah blah blah, eating water, sweets. My ass was yesterday? Oh yeah, it was for 2 days ago. At 3,700 as I was getting problems with Vodafone with the internet connection. And I calculated today, this live stream here, 8 beers in work, a 6 beer. So we actually buy 3,550 actually after the eating at 10 o'clock, so it's actually kind of 5 hours later. And some sweets by 250 calories. Yeah, 128, yes. This crack. Oh man. I'm fat. Someone to say, I'm not sure. I weigh a lot. Dang. Oh, whatever. I'm a single boy. With single needs. Every night before I go to sleep, I eat my azurine from Spit Shake. I'm a handicraft man. I'm a single man with single needs. I eat Spit Shake, Measuring for single peoples like me. I don't want to say I'm dull or hate women or something, but Measuring just makes my day so comfortable. Spit Shake, Measuring, you should taste it. It's a good flavor. Background. It feels like I'm eating actually vanilla ice. I really, on the Bad TV actually, they tried again the reboot. I was, what the fuck, not good. Even Sullivan or actually these folks don't actually just, it was terrible, seriously. I hate reboots. Most actually, 90% they fail. And I don't wait for the fail, I just see, no. It's not fitting into the time right now we're eating. It's 10 years ago or something. Ouch, it hurts. The restriction, all this stuff, actually you don't can bring it up for a comedy or something. For sake, echt scheiße. Ja mei, und die Musik, die regt mich allerweil schon auf. Grütze, fix aber. Zöger mir endlich den Stecker von der Drecksmusik da. Oh, you have to press X or something, this crack. Man, I really hate that. Who just made that menu? It should actually burn in hell. Waiting for the hell stretcher or something. It says game music, right? It says narrative music. What the hell is that anyway? It's kind of surrounded actually. If you're the Volksfest plots or something. The festival music is like the same Volksfesten music. Well, narrative is actually around yourself, or I don't care. But if you're just getting done with the gameplay music, everything is off then. I fucking hate y'all. yeah, it is. Who was that guy actually came from America, goes to Germany or something? Kind of fool. Can't remember his name of him. Actually a nice guy, but actually a real fool. Nah, everything's good. Every day actually I'm going on YouTube and shorting around, right? Just seeing actually some stuff I like it very much. especially these kind of music. Yeah, these cats as well, but more dogs. Blah blah blah. Clips. But I don't know. Some inspiration stuff always in there. Especially came to something like actually before the fishing. Actually, my colleague actually from the construction work, some kind of brings me with him fishing, and I ask what you just dealing done with, why you just catching that fish and stuff like that, you know. And in the end, comes out like actually it's useless just to make a picture. And why? Come on, what the hell? 3 people's just gone. Why 3 people's coming up in the same time? Actually, the other one takes everyone with it. I'm confused about that one. Just fuck that crack. Just, you know, people's young boys, more like actually these young kids saying, I'm not interested about your old grandpa style. Alright, shut up then. Tell me something. Make a comment. Say hello. It's just actually wipe your ass off. You have problems with your leg. It's just you started up the shave you had or something. I don't know. Or you butt crack or something. Oh my god. Let me know. Yeah, I'll answer to that one. Take flame or something. Be able to run and make a fire up your ass. Or oh my god. Immediately, actually, 5 minutes later, the father came on, or the mother, just telling me something else. He's just actually having a problem right now with the church. My son should actually burn his crack. This hairy crack. But what, dear? The round the fire toy? You crazy? Hysteric, you know. I tell you something, you have to pay me something. Just paid money or something. To watch my son actually burning the ass crack hair. Father's still laughing like me. That cheers up. Yeah, shut up then. Alright, good night. Bye bye.
I am heading. So mic off.
It's gonna be a close one. Come on, dude. Oh god, thanks. I did it. Oh hell. I hate this one. I really hate that one. I hate you. I hate myself. I hate the game. I hate the day. I hate everything. So go yourself and all yours. What's the microphone not muting? I pressed it. Oh, well, then it should actually. I give a fuck. Nobody's watching anyway in here. Ah, yeah. That's so clean up in here again. Who just did that? What kind of a motherfucker just did that in here? This is so crazy. Trying to pee, can't do the beat. What the hell? Why? Oh, my heart hurts. I should take pills or something. Why I don't get nitro pills, by the way? I've got a heart attack all the times here and there. I don't care. Piece of crack. I'm sorry, it's just it's kinda from just all the times when I go to the doctor once in a month or 2 months once. I just say you need to go to the hospital actually. It's your heart clinic or something. You have real problems. I just say go fuck yourself. You don't want to get me some pills or something? Then you're not actually a doctor or something. It's kinda like construction work. You have to push yourself. So I push my heart as well until I'm dying. Having a heartbreak or something. Or maybe my brain just stopped to work. So my lungs then as well, my organs and my heart as well then. Fuck life. Go blind. Go to hell. Life is a piece of shit. Nobody thanks you for something. Jedes Mal, wenn ich vorbeigehe an meinen neuen Freund, meine Nachbarin schaut immer wieder rüber und so, geh doch weg! Immer gleich die Handbewegung, weg! Rita, Marita, ich weiß gar nicht mehr wie sie heißt. Schau nicht rein, geh weg! Oh, fuck, it's complicated. We're coming into the equal eye, aren't we? Like it, eh, Yarn? Nice, I love it. Rally car, huh? How you want to feel down that stuff? I really just want to change the color, man. I hate Mac. D-Mag, right, but Mac. You have no idea about Rally, right? Piece of creme de la creme. Just was drinking actually one beer, man. It blows me up like a blowfish sucking the crab. Fuck that music, man. I hate that music. Fucking feel in my fucking brain. Oh, pissed off. Pissed off. Say customization your ass, man. Man. Oh, we have to talk about what actually happened for 2 days ago about the boys. I hate season 5, episode 8. I really, that one was the burst on season 5. I just watched it a little bit in the beginning. I was bored. And the end, I don't want to spoil her. It was like, who the hell is just doing a Oval Office bringing with actually a crowbar? Well, what the hell is that? Okay, well, what happened actually to the other girl? I don't know, because I skipped all the times, actually, all these stuff, you know. I just, yesterday I watched it, I slept away in the end. Fuck that idiots, it's just making, there should be actually coming out a season 6 or something. Well, help now peoples to see actually while it's just actually these other peoples that are getting bad or something and just want to be like Homelander and overtaking actually all these stuff, and never came out of season 6, you know. They should bring it out. It should be actually coming out right now after the season 5 episode 8. It's just so silly that episode 8 was so silly, so fuck. So this is the end? That's it? 2 people's dead? What happened to Kamiko or something? You know, it's Kimiko, I mean, what happened to her? You know, was she exploding in the end? Maybe, I don't want to spoil myself, but is she actually in the end maybe still there? Like actually the other one, what was his name again? Yeah, the guy with that shield and all this stuff. I can't remember. That guy from, yeah, actually, I never watched these unnatural shit. Whatever. See? Why so many people have that? You know, these kind of actually wideness about people's that you can ask them and you get actually answers. I have not even one watcher. Nothing. What the fuck is this? I got this month actually open up the video here. It goes viral actually for myself. It's over 400 actually. I'm number 1 here on the PlayStation 4 or 5, whatever. to show them the way, lead them the way. The last time you just get that kind of Apollo, Sport Apollo, you know, it's Apollo Sport. It was going viral. It was good. I was very late actually with that video because I was saying myself actually, I don't know what the fuck's going on. I just watched actually Honolulu about Google Maps, and then I just found out there's actually the Waikiki shell, you know, and I just make my way through. And the first time I was saying before I started up, let's just record that one. I sort of did it, and just I'm not joking around. And as you see actually in the ending, I just did that stuff, and it was my first try. And I was saying to myself 4 days before, as 3 days was left, I can't do that. I don't know where to go. And you can see that actually on the episode 29 to 33, I think, or 32. I was ideal as to how to go there and blah blah blah. This location to race on. Thanks actually to real life, actually, like the game actually have a good map as well, smaller of course, but found out Honolulu, the capital state, to go to Waikiki. I'm sorry, shell, you know. Oh, see if nobody's watching. So shut it down right on my live stream. Have a nice time. Goodbye. If I'm uninteresting, I just give a fuck. Goodbye. Microphone off. Fuck you. One fucking mistake, man. One mistake. One fucking mistake costs you 20 seconds. Go fuck yourself, you shit game. I really hate this game so much. Piece of shit. You can't even breathe. You can't even set this actually to the end. One little mistake and you can't even reach the last place. On the easy mode. On easy mode. The difficult of I got all my assistants off all your shit. It's so unfair. I have everything off and they're doing nothing. They hate the gamer. They give you no money. They give you no extra actually bet. You are total fucked up if you're just eating down that stuff. They really hate you with that. You have no actually Vorteil. Was heißt der Vorteil auf Englisch? Diese Dreckscheiße hier, ey. Kennt echt langsam das Englisch, das sollte abgeschafft werden, Alter. Wenn man was nicht weiß, Alter, wäre so aggro, Alter. Vor allem schaut eh keiner dazu. Macht sich eh keiner Kopf. Aufgeschissen auf euch alle. Ach, mir schmeckt halt nicht mal das Bier, weil es nicht mal kalt ist. Das ist einfach nur so eine warme Brause, Alter. Verpiss dich, YouTube, ey. Dreckiger Scheißwein. How could I miss that? Because before the ramp, retry. Once you mistake 20 seconds, fail you. And you can't win the race anymore. On easy difficult. Fuck you, Ubisoft. Oh my god, please let me snot my snot out my nose. You piece of shit. Get the music off, man. I'm very hardcore pissed. It's not fitting to the shit game right now. Piece of shit game. A piece of shit game. My gosh, this is a fuck shit. Really try to follow them, but AI is AI. It's unfair as crap. We don't want to talk about it. Doesn't matter how hardcore you difficult and you're having no assistance on shit is. It doesn't matter, man. If I do 5 on 5 and I have no assistance on anyway, but since the beginning of the shit game, because it's unrealistic, I don't know what it is, a car simulation bullshit physics crap. This is, what the fuck? I just enjoying to be in here because I have a character or something in the main menu and I just like it, like actually the Elder Scrolls Online. Fuck all these shit games. Fuck all these crap. I don't know why I'm just dealing down with this fuck shit. God damn it. So it's best actually give me some fucking earplugs and just fucking crap music there. It's time actually to play my music actually in my ears for sake and not actually a shit game here. Fuck this all. It is so boring. Every year the same crap, buy here, there, blah blah blah. Can't tell what kind of fun shit actually they just try to be done in here. Just want to eat actually, but I'm actually getting so fat actually my doctor don't cares about me anyway. I can't tell you what kind of fuck shit this is. I'm starving since yesterday afternoon, and I just actually fucking kind of pound I just lost, and today kind of shit, and then I'm sending actually myself to the fridge, seeing actually everything is full, the other fridge is full, the freezer is full. I can't eat something because I have to get actually away. So you drink a beer, bloating, man, like a blowfish. That's the part, like actually you're hardworking and being pissed off of life. You really actually don't feel like a good-looking person anymore. I feel like actually since actually I'm a hunchback from the Frost, what's that calling these Glocks there? If you're just a hunchback, you have the Frost Glock there. Not Nostra. What was that again? Jetzt fällt es mir auf Englisch nicht ein, dann fällt es mir auf Deutsch sofort gleich nicht ein, weil ich mir wieder andere Gedanken mache, wie es übersetzt. The Glöckner von Notre Dame. I can't tell that one in English. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Even my fucking earplugs don't find actually the music on Spotify and my extreme earplugs. The stupid one or something, a really stupid one. Wow, don't find my earplugs. Why? Are you retarded or something? Yeah, definitely. My earplugs are retarded, or this Bluetooth wireless shit. Here we go. Fucking hell, all manual. Oh, that's music, man. That's music. For fucking sake. Not these creme de la creme crap. Yeah, go, you fuck yourself all. The frustration starts up. Pike. And again. Ah, and I'm twisting, turning, and going down. Oh my gosh! No! Fuck this game. Fucking AI. Fucking AI. They use Nitro. I don't even have Nitro. Man, this game is unfair as crap. I have no grip. But they have grip as shit. They can do whatever they want. Unfair bullshit. Fuck this game. Fuck it. I'm so much off then. Doesn't matter about the pattern or something. He's like actually driving hardcore. That's all. One braking too much, it's over. 20 seconds delay. Yeah, 100% actually grip to have. What the fuck? How can it be the second first, but be actually second? Eh? Fucking cheating. Way too hard. I can't. Wow, they're just gone. They're just gone. I have to be controlling the car so hardcore. Left, right, braking, down below, actually watching, left, right. What the fuck they're just doing is just actually they're racing. They're just having a line, an invisible line. I don't see nothing here. Fuck this game. And the third one is actually my back. It wanna stab me. Ubisoft, you're the biggest piece of shit. Fuck this concern. I'm really trying to follow a road that I don't see. What's next, man? What's next? Blindfold? I give up. I give up this shit. Fuck this piece of crap. Fuck you all as well. Fuck you all.
Gymkhana driver gets a dope machine, and you will get yours. But first, you're gonna have to get to the end of this. Every Gymkhana driver gets
one more immortal in your path, perhaps the toughest, the ace. The action listed. Awaits you is an AGP event, but Red Bull style. If you've ever seen a Red Bull video with an AGP drifting in the dirt, you'll know what I mean. We've taken the most modern model, the RB20, and fitted it with rally tyres and slightly beefier suspension, just in case you need to jump it. Basically, it's an all-terrain AGP, so as well as being a muddy event, it's going to be really fast.
Enjoy emote. URL.
The ace. He's not much of a talker, but he's quick and sharp. No one can argue with that. Damn, this guy is fast. Oh, yeah. Set the bar high, but that was to be expected. an AGP with a rally wheel set. It's precise, it can go anywhere at high speed, and with all that, it can jump. There's more than one ace in this game.
Finally.
the drivers on their own turf. In their own specialities, but apparently they haven't said their last word. They join forces for one last action list mixed event. through 3 different disciplines. Once you've validated a vehicle's checklist, you move on to the next action list. Resuming progression on the playlist.
Biggest loser anyway.
complete this playlist. rewind that one. Be kind, rewind. It's like it never happened.
Fucking asshole game.